G'day Curd Nerds! Once again, fellow Curd Nerd Paul Gerish and I are pleased to announce, for the second year in a row, the annual Cheese in Need giveaway, where we give away cheese-making kits to those in need this festive season. Together with Paul's generous support and my logistical help, we're proud to spread some serious cheesy joy through our special giveaway. We're giving away 2 Mad Millie artisan cheese-making kits for international entrants and 2 cheese-making gift cards to US entrants to the value of approximately $175 US each. This donation will enable the recipient of the giveaway to be able to create amazing cheese right at home. We know times are tough, and we believe everyone deserves the joy of cheese making and the joy of tasting their own cheese. So here's how you can take part. Visit our website and read the rules of the giveaway. Fill out the application form that I've created and share a little about why you or someone you know could benefit from this giveaway. We'll be selecting deserving recipients to share the love and spread the cheesy goodness. The link to the entry form is in the video description down below. Remember, the deadline to apply is midnight, December 31st, 2025, Australian Eastern Daylight Time, which is UTC -11. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to start your cheese-making journey with a little help from us. The lucky recipients will be contacted by email first, and then their submissions will be read aloud during the announcement video. Thank you for being a part of the Curd Nerd community in 2025. So let's make some cheese and make a difference together in 2026. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you soon to announce the giveaway winners. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to one and all.